These are Spy Kash frames, and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace both lenses. First step in removing the lenses is to pull outward on the top portion of the frame while pushing downward on the lens itself. Again, pull outward and push downward. The lenses should pop out pretty easily. Next step in replacing or reinstalling a lens is to take the lens and put the far portion of it into the grooves on the far side of your frames. Make sure it's snug and just push the rest into place. Again, you just take the far side of the lens into the far side of the frame. Make sure it all lines up and just push. Now, sometimes it doesn't work, so you take 2 fingers, you put them underneath the lens while taking your thumb and pressing it over here, and you kind of bend the lens to get the far corner in. And then the other one pops into place, like so.